It's calling me like the rainbow.
So Blackview is coming out with another exciting smartphone, to say the least, the Blackview BL5000, which is similar to the BL6000 Pro, only this one has the Dimensity 700 instead of the 800, but we do have faster UFS 2.2 storage instead of 2.1, which, I mean, UFS 3.0 exists, so you should have just added that, but never mind. It's still a cheap phone overall, so it's completely understandable. We also have 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. It supports 5G as well, and I think the design overall looks interesting as well. So at one point I'm going to have this smartphone and I'm going to review it for you guys. We're going to see if it's similar to the BL6000 Pro and which one you should get. I mean, if you remember, I had the BL6000 Pro. It was an okay phone. It had a few problems. Hopefully this phone will be an overall better device, like a more well-rounded device, because the 6000 Pro wasn't perfect. We also have the Airpods 5 that are coming out. They skipped the 4 because the number 4 is bad luck in China, so we're going from the Airbuds 3 to the Airbuds 5. Anyway, the promotion is starting on August 2nd, which the 5000 is going to be available for $300 instead of $500, which is apparently it's going to be a normal price, but we all know that it's going to be $300 because no one's going to buy it for more than that. Anyway, the Airbuds 5 Pro also launching from August 2nd to August 8th, where they're gonna have their promotional price of $50 instead of $90. Jokes aside, I think overall this is gonna be a great smartphone. Blackview makes good smartphones. They're not perfect, but they're good. I've seen worse smartphones from companies as well. So yeah, I mean, pretty excited to order this and give you my full review. But for now, hopefully this video helped you in some way. And thanks for watching.